For module 6, it would be divided into 4. The first one is geometric means, and then the second one is the nth term of geometric sequence. Third is the sum of a finite geometric sequence. And the fourth one is the sum of an infinite. Okay, so we'll have geometric means. Okay, so to begin with, I have an example. We have 7 and then blank, blank, and 875. So the two terms here, unknown terms in between, kani silang duha dinhi, is what we call geometric means. But that doesn't mean nga duha gyud naka term per me. It could be 1 term, 2 term, 3 term, 4 terms, 5 terms, and so on. So what pasabot? The terms in between two non-consecutive. When you say non-consecutive, here in this one we have 7 and then we have 875. So ang 7 and 875 are non-consecutive. Wala man na sila nagsunod. And then naipa-insert nga terms in between them. So those terms in between them are what we call geometric means. Okay, because we are dealing with geometric sequence. That's why it's called geometric means. And finding this one, supposed to be, I'll be showing you the derivation of the formula for the common ratio coming from the formula for the nth term. Pero it will take time. So you can just actually search for that. But then the the formula for you might be wondering why we need common ratio. We need common ratio because this is what we're going to use for us to find the next terms. Diba? Kaya mag-times times man ta. So 7 times unsa man nga number para makuha nimo ang second term, and then times sa pud ang second term unsa man nga number para makuha nimo ang third term. Lain pud kayo magtag-antag ta. So that's why we need to find the exact common ratio. Di na ta masigtag-antagan pa. So the formula for finding the common ratio is actually defined by R equals, if you happen to remember katong naa sa arithmetic means katong pila sila kabuok minus 1, naagyapon to din dapita, but then lahi na iyang placement. So naagyapon tong pila sila kabuok, ako is what ha, pila sila kabuok minus 1, and then this time is kung ano na ato ang gipangita is na radical. So ang kanang pila sila kabuok minus 1, siya ang mo determine kung pila imuhang kwaon nga root, kung square root ba, kung cube root ba, kung fourth root ba, and so on. So mo na pila sila kabuok minus 1, ang katong pila sila kabuok minus 1 is na sa kilid o sa radical sign mo, nahog siya og siya ang index, and then ang katimuhang katong sa arithmetic katong last ug ang first naagyapon to dinhi pero lahi na sa ang placement. Ang pasabot na is last term divided by first term na. So ang ito is what ha? Ari na is last na hadi. That's last divided by first na. So last term divided by first term. So unahon sa na nimo og divide. So sa given, naamantay last term 875, naapod tay first term nga 7 sa kaning first nga example or kaning example. So you have kani siya maogi tuyo din ako, if imo nang i-search di ka makakita na kay Gibisaya man nako lahi ang formula imong kita dito, kituyo din ako ginani para dali ra matiman-an ninyo kung unsa ang formula in finding the common ratio, and then mas simpler siya tan-awon kung walay daghang symbol or daghang variable or daghang letters, diba? So we have r equals pila sila kabuk minus 1, and then you get the root, and then last divided by first. So mao na ato i-define. So we have our last term 875 in this example, and then our first term is 7 in this example. Okay, so kana siya. And then imo na i-substitute. So formula is r equals pila sila kabuok. Iipon nimo including sa katong pila kabuok terms nga ipa-insert. So duha man na kabuok blank. So nanay duha. And then ang 7 and then ang 875. So pila ka sila kabuok? 7 blank blank and 875. So upat sila tanan. So imong ibutang diha sa pila sila kabuok is 4. Okay? And then sa formula na ay minus 1. So apilo na nimo. Then you get the root. Okay? So radical sign, and then last, so kinsa man imong last term dara 875, so 875 divided by your first term is 7. So 875 the over 7 siya. So last divided by first. Okay, you simplify. So mahimo na ng r equals, unahon na nimong 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. Subot pa sabot, ang ato ding gipangita is cube root. Kay 3 man ang naadiha. So we read that as cube root. Okay, so 4 minus 1 is 3. So we need to get the cube root. 875 divided by 7, imo na simplify kay pa-divide man na siya. 8 kung di madama mag-calculate, 875 divided by 7, that would be equal to 125. Now, for this part here, r equals cube root of 125. The cube root of 125, you can actually operate this one in your calculator if you know how to press your scientific calculator. But if you don't, let's have a separate solution. 125, you need to get the factors of 125 nga makakuha ta og tulo ka number nga parehas sa man ako pasabot ana. So 125 kung imo nang i-factor o i-divide to og 5, 125 divided by 5 is actually 5 times 25 or 125 divided by 5 is 25. So mo na 5 times 25. Kanisang 25 pwede pa dyan na siya ma-factor 5 and another 5. So here, ang 125 nakakuha ta og tulo ka buok 5. 1, 2, 3. So tulo ka buok 5 atong nakuha. But pasabot, we can rewrite 125 into 5 raised to the power of 3. Meaning 5 times 5 times 5. Katuluon nimo siya. So, in our solution, if we go back, we were able to find r equals cube root of 125. Now for this one here, for 125, we can actually replace that with ato siyang ilisan. Instead of having 125, we can replace that with 5, kani atong na-solve this kilit, raised to the power of 3. Okay? Pero kung nag-calculate mo, ganina natang nahuman. So, kani, kay tungod cube root man, raised to the power of 3 or cube, cancel siya. So, what is left for our r, or our common ratio in this example? The answer is 5, right? So, we have 5 for our common ratio. Now, if we're going to find the next terms or the tawag ana. Oh yeah. For this one here, kung ato na pangitaon ang two terms or geometric means, so arita, you have, if you go back, that's 7, then blank, and then another blank, and then 875. So we are going to use the katong common ratio nga ato na compute, that was 5, because we have to find the next terms kaning mga missing for our geometric means. So we use that. That would be, we multiply man, diba? Kay geometric sequence man ta. So 7 times the common ratio 5, the answer is 35. And then we get the next one. Excuse me. So 35 times 5, 35 times 5. Kung dili madagkuan, calculate again. That would be 35 times 5, that's equal to 175. So we have 175. Now, to check if we are correct, pwede rata mo padayon og multiply. Multiply ta og 5 para ato ning ma-check ang 875. So, mag-times og 5. So, calculate dayon ninyo. 175 times 5, hatagan mo og 875. So, buot pasabot, the geometric means nga gipangita, ang duha ka buok geometric means nga gipangita are 35 and 175. So as a review, para matiman-an, if you are required or if you are asked to find the geometric means, pwede duha, pwede usa, pwede tulo, pwede upat, pwede daghan kayo nga geometric means, ang unag yung pangitaon is your common ratio. Now, for your common ratio, the formula again, atong dakon, common ratio is equal to, sa ganito, pila sila kabuok. So, pila diha ha, pila kabuok minus 1. Pila ka buok kay i-apil mo to nimo ang i-insert ni mga geometric means, and then katong first ug ang last nga gihatag, then divided by, I mean sa radical, so sa sud sa radicand, ang radicand sa sud sa radical should be last divided by first. Okay, shortcut na lang niya, first, that's a number 1, last divided by first. Okay, so ana siya. If naglibog mo, pwede ra mo mobalik or rewind, or I suggest you check another video tutorials kanang sa Khan Academy, kay legit pud kayo na ilahang mga tutorials dira. And galing lang, dali ra sabton, galing lang purely in English lang na siya din ha. So, kamo na bahala. This is part 1, which is geometric means.